Hey beauties, how are you doing? I hope that you're having a good month so far and that you're feeling loved. So can you guess what celebrity I'm trying to copy some of her very known for looks? Little 90s poofies up here. Maybe they should be further apart, and don't judge my poofies, but they're poofies, okay? And my red lip, which, you know, I always have my red lip, but I have actually done the wings on my mascara. So if you know, go in the comments and show me or tell me before you keep going. It's so good. So here's our box for the month. Let's jump in and see what goodies we have. Okay, let's go. Come on. So something I really needed, I got. As you most know, if you really follow me, you know that I accidentally shaved off this eyebrow. Therefore, I shaved them both off and am growing them back out. So we have some Brow Freeze from Anastasia, which is one of my favorite all-time brands. Their palettes are the best palettes in my opinion. So it's just the oh, it's clear. I like that. So it's just clear. And it is the gel freeze. And it's supposed to be really, really good. This is a brow styling wax. So I'm hoping once mine finish growing out, I can actually start now trying to get them to go up instead of laying down. I don't know why my eyebrows grow that way or naturally fall to the side. I don't know, but it does, and it annoys me. So hopefully I can use that and train it. And I love that it has the little scoop at the end and the brush. I love Anastasia. Have I said that? And not only do I love Anastasia, I just admire how well the company always does on their products. So I'm excited to have this. Together it retails for $40. So the next product is from Kyra Moon, and it's Silky Rinse Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I don't know if you can see that. It's on brand with Valentine's in February. Ceramides and rose water. I love these kind of bottles. They're so soft and squishy. So it says the Silky Rinse. It says ready to get silky. Silky Rinse gently and effectively removes pore buildup, excess oil and makeup without drying or disrupting the skin barrier. Formulated with super hydrating and nourishing ingredients to support a healthy skin balance. Plus, it has a silky gel serum texture for a truly delightful cleaning experience. Use 1 to 2 times per day. Shake well before use. Massage into wet or dry skin. Rinse thoroughly. And to remove makeup, massage into dry skin for 30 seconds. Then add water to lather. Rinse thoroughly. It's vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and never, this is the important part, never tested on animals. So I am excited for this. I always need a new makeup remover, which I'd probably use it as, but also just as to clean my face. So this icon box is really spoiling me because I love Drunk Elephant. The products are just too good. This one is Wonder Wild Miracle Butter Rescue Remedy. And let's see. An intense, nourishing, all-over salve that rescues and soothes dry, chapped, irritated, or compromised skin, supporting skin's own natural healing abilities. Creates a barrier to seal in moisture and help shield skin from environmental stresses. Perfect for any areas of skin that need extra love. Think windburned cheeks, dry elbows, cracked heels, or chapped lips. That is a multi-purpose product if I ever heard one. But you know what? I have like really dry hands. Let's see. No, it's coming. Okay. Maybe I just need to squeeze harder. Ooh. Look at that. That is thick. I had to put some muscle into it. Isn't it the cutest little... So let's see how the thickums feels on these dry fingers. It's a little oily, to be frank. Let's rub it in now. Put a little bit on the elbows. I'm constantly fighting with my elbows. Okay, it rubs in pretty good. Makes them like shiny. Oh, my hands are so freaking soft now. Oh my God. This Drunk Elephant Butter Miracle is $38 retail. We have a huge palette in our icon box. It's from Dominique Essential Palette. And it has 10 colors in it. Oh my God. Every little thing is so on point with Valentine's and my brand. I don't know, can you read that? It says beauty inside and out. Oh, it's a nice glass palette. Not glass, but you know, it looks like glass, but it's not. Oh, these palettes are, these colors are huge. You've got so much product here. Whoa. Who wants me to swatch them? Oh, do I want to swatch them? Oh, I have to swatch them. Okay, I have to swatch them. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Wow. Look at that gold. Can you see that? It's just 3 of the colors. Let's see about a matte. Okay, it's buildable. That's the, maybe this one is darker. It's just different darks. Okay, so that's 2 mattes from the palette. I do like that. Let's try the black. Very nice. Look at that. So you've got 5 glitters and 5 mattes. They're really decent quality, and there's so much product in this palette. So this is an amazing palette, especially for the fact that it's $49. I mean, that's still so much product. So there you go. That retails for $49. Okay, this product is next, and it is Szechuan, and it is a heat protection hair cream. I mean, okay, so the softening hair cream included effects protection against heat up to 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a detangling properties, provides moisture and shine. Directions: apply evenly to damp hair, blow dry the hair before using heat tools. Suitable for all hair types. So that was very hard to read, Szechuan. But I will be trying that. Let's see if it has a smell. No, just a very clean smell. I like it. I'll have to try that tonight. I wash my hair at night, so. And now I've started blow drying it because I don't want to get sick. So this product retails for $38. Does KVD full sleeve long defining mascara with our Ipsy icon box. I love the packaging. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. I've not seen a mascara one like that before. So it says it is defined tubing. You use 3 coats and your eyes can look like that. Now, she's been a face for a lot of beauty companies, and she's like, now it's time to take over the beauty world. So there was a quote in there from her, and I'll tell you in just a minute, there's something really feminine about wearing red lipstick, and it become a signature for me. We have 2 products from GXVE, which is Gwen Stefani's company, which is why I was mimicking some of the things from my young years when she first come out, with no doubt. And I'm just so excited that she has beauty products. I didn't even know. So here's the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. A brown package with some pretty writing. So elegant. So let's open first one. And this is called Bath Water. The 24-hour eye pencil. And it's bath water. It's blue. We'll do a little. There you go. That's beautiful. So this is retailed for $20. The next thing we have is a matte lipstick. It's I'm Still Here. I love that name. And the shade is Flannel. Uh-oh, the packaging. I love the packaging so much. I hope this doesn't mean she's giving up her red lip, because Gwen does a red lip like nobody. So that is the color. And again, it's called Flannel. It's I'm Still Here, lightweight, long-wear matte liquid lipstick. And the shade is Flannel. And it has a really good smell to it. I can't place it, but it smells really nice. And the tube says, me, you, and yours. That's so cute. Love it. And that's why I was dressed this way. Yeah. I just thought it would be cute to bring out a little Gwen in her products, with her products. So that is the end of our 8 products, which that is our 8 celebrity curated products. And it is worth up to $350 to $60 quarterly. You really, really get your money's worth. And I am so freaking happy right now. Like, I needed the eyebrow stuff. I always can use a mascara. The hair stuff is interesting. Like, it's just things that I will use, and I'm really excited about it. So I hope you can get excited about it too. And for you girls that may not have a Valentine, remember, you do yourself. You can so self-love. Take care of yourself. Do your makeup. Do your hair. Copy a celebrity that you love. Just have fun. Love yourself. Spend time telling yourself why you are special and why people love you, or why you should love yourself. Because you're so worth it. You're so worth it. And I am telling myself that as well as I'm telling y'all that. Because you may know that Finding Evie is all about self-love, all for exploring new ways to be thankful for your body, your mind, and your soul. You are loved. Happy February. I hope you have a beautiful month full of love. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. And I hope that you have an amazing week and month ahead of you. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment, especially. I love when y'all do that. Makes me so happy. And I couldn't be more proud of my subscribers than I am you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember, you're loved.